Okay, here's what we're looking like right now. Got all that loaded up today. That's all just scrap iron. That's won't bring very much. Got a little wire up front, I'll get that out. Got a bunch of brass right here. That'll do good. And when this dries up, just need to clean it up a little bit more. Got some old boards and stuff in there. Still some trash. Still got some trash over here. Knocked over the toilet, oh no. And then some motors in here too. And in the old house, there's a toilet seat for y'all. And got a bunch of scrap iron there. And a bunch of old boxes. An old rim. Gearbox. Bunch of pipe fittings. That's all scrap stuff. So anyway, I think I've still got a few things to do out here as we progress. What do you think? Alrighty then.